Hi guys, welcome to another video. We are Tiger Ninja Warriors and today we will tell you if someone grab you from the behind like a bear hug and grab your both arms, then how to defend yourself. So don't skip this video because in this video we will tell you how to escape yourself fast in street fight. So let's start. If a tug grab you from the behind and lift you up, then step number one, you go up, and step number two, force your body down and make a cross position and twist your body like this, as you can see in the video. Again, yes, like this. Now, step number two, keep your knee behind his knee like this, and he can't grab your neck here because his arm is under your control. Now here you will throw him back down, and due to going his balance out, he will be fall down easily. You can see now. Yes, start. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the side angle so you can understand better. Yes.
And grab, one, jump, two, like this, and keep your leg back and turn. Like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique fast motion. Yeah.
Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.